Hi there, students. Genre. Genre. Listen to the pronunciation. Genre. Okay, a genre is a kind, a type, a sort, a category, especially for literature, films, music, and maybe other works of art as well. So let's see, in films you could have action films, you could have a comedy, you could have a crime drama, it could be historical, or a horror film, or a romance, or science fiction, or a western, or a war film, or a thriller. Okay, all of these are different genres of film. They're a different style, a different classification. Or with music, you could have jazz, you could have folk, you could have heavy metal, punk, reggae, classical music. Okay, so a genre is a style, a very specific style of something. It's a classification, if you like. In art, in painting, you can have a genre with two different meanings. Either it's the style, Art Nouveau, Art Deco, Cubist, etc. But also in art, genre is a category of paintings that represents scenes from everyday life, normal living, a lady ironing, a gardener trimming his lawn. Okay, scenes from everyday life. So, a genre, a style. This director has made other films in the same genre. My friend John likes various different genres of music, a style. So let's see, what about the origin of this word genre? Well, it comes from French, and you've got the same word in French, and that in turn came from Latin, genus. And that again came from Greek, genos. And genos is like offspring, family, nation, type. Okay? Now, what about formality? I think this word is probably slightly formal, maybe 6.5 in formality. I think in an informal conversation, I'd just say that use the word kind, type, sort, category. But use genre in a semi-formal or formal writing, and I think it would sound really good. So, the genre of something, the style, the sort, particularly films, music, and other types of works of art. There you go. Yeah, there are different genres of video in YouTube. The genre of this video is educational. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Genre.